Welcome to Pure Disney Luxury. Hello, heya, and yoo-hoo, everybody. Today we are having another most magical stay on Earth where we show you the resort, the pools, the rooms, the transportation, and the food for all of the different resorts here at Walt Disney World. Today we are at Disney's flagship resort, the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. It is a deluxe hotel here at Walt Disney World, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get into the Grand Floridian.
Built in 1988, the Grand Floridian stands as a testament to 19th century elegance. It's inspired by classic properties like the Hotel del Coronado in California, the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island in our home state of Michigan, and the Bellevue Biltmore in Florida. This resort is a beautiful blend of Victorian elegance mixed with modern convenience. With its dazzling white buildings, red gabled roofs, and stunning chandeliers, you'll be spellbound by its sophistication and warmth. Honestly, I was just in awe while I wandered around this resort. The lobby is absolutely incredible. You feel like you're in the lap of luxury. Let's just take a minute to soak in all of the timeless beauty. Accommodations at the Grand Floridian are nothing short of spectacular. From standard rooms that can sleep up to 5, to lavish suites with park views, and DVC villas that sleep up to 12, there's something for every guest. Prices range without any discounts from around $800 per night in the value season to over $5,800 per night for the most extravagant suite during the holidays. Again, that's without any discounts. I stayed on Points in a resort studio and it was beautiful. You can check out a room tour of this studio room on our channel. I'll leave a link in the video description. It's time to make a splash. The Grand Floridian offers several inviting pools. The beach pool is the feature pool at this resort and has a 181-foot long water slide, plenty of lounge chairs, cabanas for rent, and a pool bar. There's also a pretty impressive splash pad area for the little ones with lots of seating. My boys will love this one. The courtyard pool is the quiet pool and provides a more tranquil setting, again with plenty of seating. I love seeing an abundance of chairs, that way you know you're not going to have to get up super early to grab one. Other than swimming, there's a ton you can do at the Grand Floridian. You can play table tennis and ping pong, lounge on the different beach areas, rent a pontoon boat to take out onto Seven Seas Lagoon, there's movies under the stars and nightly marshmallow roasting, the Arcadia Arcade, and a full-service spa and fitness center on property. At night, you can view the electrical water pageant and happily ever after fireworks right from the resort grounds. There are so many dining options at the Grand Floridian. I'll start off with saying that the Grand is the only property currently doing room service, so you can get breakfast or dinner sent right to your room. I love that. Next, there's Gasparilla's Island Grill. This is the quick service restaurant open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and serves a variety of entrees from Mickey waffles to burgers and sandwiches. I got the artisan burger with fries and the Mickey chocolate chew, and they were both wonderful. Attached to Gasparilla's, inside you'll find the Grand Floridian Cafe. The decor here reminds me a little bit of Crystal Palace and Magic Kingdom. I'm not sure, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. This restaurant is open for brunch and dinner, serving casual American fare. I had the buttermilk chicken and waffles, which was crispy and delicious with a hint of heat from the sriracha. And the cookies and cream chocolate layer cake, and I don't think that I need to say more, just look at that. Right next door, you'll find 1900 Park Fare. This is the resort's character dining experience. It's a buffet open for breakfast and dinner, offering some really wonderful selections. My family has been here for breakfast and dinner, and both are really hearty meals. You get to meet Mirabelle, Aladdin, Princess Tiana in her Bayou attire, and Cinderella. I really loved this experience, but the tables were pretty close together. Just an FYI, Cinderella actually thought that I was part of another family when I dined here alone. That's how close the tables were. Now we head outside near the boat launch to Narcoossee's. This is one of 3 signature restaurants on property, open for dinner, and offers stunning panoramic views of the lagoon, serving delicious land and sea menu options. I got the citrus and goat cheese salad that came with some bread as well, which was so good. Merlot glazed salmon, which was incredible, and a meringue dessert that I can't remember the name of, but was just delicious. You can even time your reservation so that you can watch the happily ever after fireworks right from the covered patio. I believe that they will even serve you drinks out there. Back inside on the second floor, you're going to find Citricos. This signature restaurant is open for dinner only and is inspired by Mary Poppins Returns and is just beautiful. There is a lounge, but I had a dinner reservation. and I ordered the seasonal salad with bread, the filet mignon, which was just amazing, and another amazing dessert that I can't remember the name of, but was not overly sweet, but the perfect ending to a fantastic meal. In the same area as Citrico's, you will find Victoria and Albert's, the Michelin star restaurant on property. I did not dine here because it's very pricey and is something that I want my husband and I to experience, but it is here at the Grand and I do hear wonderful things about the whole experience. If you're looking for an evening cocktail after dinner or a long park day, you can head across the way to Enchanted Rose. This lounge wasn't open yet for the day, but it is themed to the live-action Beauty and the Beast movie. You can get a variety of cocktails and light bites, definitely one that I want to try when we come back here. Alright, it's time to get the credit cards out, we're going shopping. Let's start with M. Mouse Mercantile. Here you'll find the latest collections, parkwear, drink cups, and accessories. Next is Basin White. I love this store. It's here at the Grand and at Disney Springs, and there's a plethora of lotions, bath bombs, and you can even make your own bath salts. My kids all loved the bath bombs that I brought from here, and the smell is so lovely. Now we come to Curiouser Clothers. This would be more of an upscale store in my opinion, with some really amazing finds like premium souvenirs, luxury bathrobes, designer clothing, and some character merchandise. Lastly, we have Sandy Cove Gift and Sundries, where you're going to find Grand Floridian branded souvenirs, sundries, snacks, as well as some unique gifts like DVC merchandise and even luggage. Finally, we come to the transportation options here at the Grand Floridian, and there are plenty. When it comes to the Magic Kingdom, you can take the 10-minute walk around Seven Seas Lagoon, which, if you wanted to see what that was like, I have a video that you can check out in the video description. You can also take a resort boat to and from the Magic Kingdom at the boat launch, or hop on the monorail, making stops to the Magic Kingdom, the TTC to get to Epcot, and the other monorail resorts. Honestly, these monorail resorts, there's nothing like just being able to walk right from the second floor of the lobby and get right onto the monorail. It really is second to none. For Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, and Disney Springs, you can use the Disney buses or spend a little bit of money on a rideshare.
Well, that's going to do it for our magical stay here at Disney's Grand Floridian. Have you stayed here? Let me know in the comments. What do you love about this flagship resort? Do you like the rooms? Do you like the deluxe feel? Do you like the amenities? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I will see you folks real soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.